Okay guys, we are in a fair in Canada, Saskatchewan. It's around 9 past now at the evening. It's cloudy. There's a chance to get a raining for tonight. Okay, as you can see the rides. Okay, so this is the fair 2025. Every year is like this. Okay, the cloudy, possible rain. So this is the weather for today. Cloudy, windy, and possible rain for tonight. Okay, it's cold, a little bit cold, but it's fun because of first day of a fair for today. Okay, until tomorrow only, 2 days only, starting today. Okay, so I hope you like this video for my vlogs for tonight, because of this is the first day of fair 2025. So as you can see outside the gate, okay, it's fun. Okay, lots of rides until 10. It's 10 to 10. Okay, we are in Spectra, Canada, Saskatchewan. Earlier, there's a parade of graduating student 2025 also. So we cannot vlog that because after working of 10 hours for today, so you need to rest and eat. So from outside, you can see the sparkling and twinkling lights from here and blinking lights from here. So it's fun, but expensive, the food, the rides, and the entrance fee in the booth. Okay, beside the Spectra Infinity Place at the parking lot. Okay guys, we still here in the parking lot of the fair. There's some like a food, like a donut with a bucket. It's delicious, sweet, smooth. See? How much this, Queenie?
It was for the bucket it was $20.
It's a $20, maybe 20 pieces or 12 pieces. This donuts, sweet but nice. I like the taste. It's a $20 bucket, 12 pieces, maybe possible. Okay, so no need to go there, just to go inside. Watching every year is the same thing. So this is the Fun for 2025 summer edition, okay, of the rides. Even cloudy and possible raining for tonight. We are in the parking lot. Okay. Enjoy and fun. Only 2 days. Okay. 2 days. Last day tomorrow. So if you have time to come now and today and tomorrow, it's good. So you not miss it. That's it. Okay. Because I don't like to go there inside just to waste my money. A 15 bucks entrance adult. The younger is 10 bucks. Right, Queenie? Yes. You don't go back there? Why? It's boring?
Hindi. Walang tao. Galing.
Lots of people because it's first day. Let's see tomorrow, last day. That's it for now. Okay guys, just click the like and notification bell for updating videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so and subscribe, okay, for upcoming videos this week until next week. Okay, that's it for now guys. So let's see you again a summer fair 2025 at Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay, see you guys.